Good morning, garden buddies. It's a fall cool morning. My sunflower finally opened. It's a beautiful yellow. I don't know what type it is. I wish I knew what type it was, but it's not fully open. It's no opening more than it was before, and it's a beautiful yellow flower. I don't see any other buds coming. I thought it was a multi-head, but nope. See something like right there, but I don't know. Could it be a multi-head coming? Can you guys see that? There we go, a beautiful yellow sunflower. And I will make my little home bouquet and add these purple flowers of salvia. It's gonna look so nice. So every day, sprouts, more and more. So I don't know. This could be alyssum. They have so many seeds. So maybe, I don't know, I could have threw something in there many moons ago. And now they're sprouting. Alyssum seeds could have flew in there. We'll see. And here's another sunflower. Oh, I'm okay. Some more sprouts, another sunflower. And this is Amazing Me here. So this is where my other alyssum was at. And I thought I dug it all up. I picked up all the little sprouts. But here comes some more. Like I said, that alyssum, once they seed tons and tons and tons. So I will see what these are and then just dig them up. Another sunflower. I think I grew here is alyssum, but they look, I don't know. We'll see, they look kind of different. Like that looks really different. We'll see. So yeah, there we go. Happy fall gardening, you guys. Sunflowers is yes. And then another flower here. I threw some forget-me-nots in here, but I have a hard time growing those. They just don't seem to sprout. So, and I threw some seeds in there. And we have my, what do I have here? Oh my, let me look at the tag because I always forget. Rosemary, that's so sad. Rosemary and my basil. Threw some seeds in there, but nothing sprouting. Seeds in there. Don't see any stinker bugs. I caught one yesterday, but it was, say hi Cupcake. It was over here. So far I don't see any. But like I said, they like the sun, so they're gonna come out when the sun is. And someone's been biting my mint. Bite mark. Bite mark. Yeah, I can't wait till this is fully developed. Any pro tips? I'm thinking about, so it's so long, so tall. I'm thinking about cutting it here to make a bouquet. Yeah, I see little, I think it is gonna be a multi-head. I see little buds coming out. So, that's a beautiful sunflower. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Happy fall gardening. Bye.